What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to disable two-factor authentication on Roblox PC. So the first thing that we need to do is to be on home page like I am right now. Then what we want to do to go to the top right corner like so, and here we're gonna click on settings. Now at settings what you want to do is to go to security like so, and as you can see here we have the two-step verification tab. If we scroll down a little bit, as you can see, we have the email secure right here. To disable the two-factor authentication, all we have to do is to disable this email secure. So we're gonna disable it, then we're gonna click on confirm, like so. And now we have to enter a 6-digit code from our email. Let's do that. After you enter the code, all you have to do is to click on verify, like so. And as you can see now, the two-factor authentication function is disabled. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and to subscribe to the channel.